Alright, for our last video, we're going to talk about changing things into ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now this is the standard form for a quadratic. Now, what's really good about this form, you can put in y for the 0 and you can graph these. So the whole point is to try and change these to where we can graph them. So one way you may see this, let's say we had x plus 2 squared and then plus 5 equals 0. Well, what we're going to have to do first is FOIL. So x plus 2 times x plus 2. And then at the very end, we're going to have to add 5 to that. First, let's do the FOIL. First terms, x times x, which is x squared. Outside, x times 2, which is 2x, and it's positive, so it's plus 2x. Inside, 2 times x plus 2x. Last terms, 2 times 2, which is 4. Now we combine our like terms. 2x and 2x is 4x, so we get x squared plus 4x plus 4, and then we still have this plus 5 from earlier. So now we just add this 4 plus 5 to get 9, and we have x squared plus 4x plus 9 equals 0 or equals y. That is in standard form, so I can graph it. Sometimes they'll show it to you like this. Or you have a number outside the parentheses. You have to do exponents first though. So we're going to still have a 3, but we've got to do x minus 3 times x minus 3. So FOIL that. First terms, x times x, x squared. Outside, x times negative 3, negative 3x. Inside, negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Last, negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. I still have all of this being multiplied by 3, and I still have a negative 15 on the other side. Combine your like terms. Negative 3 and negative 3 is negative 6. Now we need to multiply this by 3, so distribute. 3 times x squared, 3 times negative 6, 3 times 9. So it's 3x squared minus 18x plus 27. Now, the only thing wrong with this is this does not say equal to 0. So I've got to move my 15, so I'm going to add 15. Those cancel. This side is finally 0. And 2, 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. So we get 3x squared minus 18x plus 42. Now I can graph it. It's in standard form. They may also put it in this way. 4x squared equals 3x minus 8. All I have to do is move this to that other side. So I'm going to just subtract 4x squared. So I get 0 equals negative 4x squared plus 3x minus 8. So all of these are ways to get this into standard form. Now, really convenient thing on your calculator, if you have everything on one side, like this one, or if on this step, instead, if we did 3x minus 3 squared, and then we do add 15 early, so I'm going to add 15 here and get 3 times x minus 3 squared plus 15. You can still graph that, we just don't have it in standard form. So this can still be graphed just like this. This can be graphed like this as long as you have everything on one side. It's just not in standard form. So don't let the STAR test confuse you. You can either change it into standard form or just get everything on one side and graph it. Alright, that was it for your refresher on your notes. There are 16 problems. Show your work and get them all done. Good luck, guys.